Hello children, welcome to the SST class of 3rd standard. Today is the 6th day of chapter 4 India Political Divisions. In the previous class we had learnt about the capitals and the neighbouring states of the southern states of India. Now let's take the feedback through cross questions. Name the capital of Telangana. Which are the neighbouring states of Kerala? What is Kerala famous for? Which is the capital of Karnataka? Which state lies in the southernmost part of the Indian subcontinent? Now children, I hope you are able to answer these questions. Today I am going to discuss the landform, climate, rivers and the visiting places of southern states. Telangana. Telangana is located in the Deccan Plateau region. The landform of Telangana is rocky and uneven. Its climate is hot and humid. Krishna and Godavari are the major rivers in the state. The visiting places of Telangana are Hyderabad, Tirupati, Golconda Fort, etc. The next state is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is situated on the southeastern coast of India. The landform of Andhra Pradesh is rocky and uneven. Its climate is hot and humid. The main rivers of Andhra Pradesh are Krishna and Godavari. The visiting places of Andhra Pradesh are Amravati, Tirupati, Charminar, etc. The next state is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu touches the extreme southern tip of the Indian peninsula. Its landform is rocky and uneven. The climate of Tamil Nadu is hot and humid. The rivers that flow through Tamil Nadu are Kaveri and Periyar. The tourist places of Tamil Nadu are Chennai, Ooty, Meenakshi Temple, etc. The next state is Kerala. Kerala is located in the southwest region of India. It is considered as one of the paradises of the world. The landform of Kerala is rocky and uneven. Its climate is hot and humid. The main rivers of Kerala are Krishna and Periyar. The visiting places of Kerala are Calicut, Cochin, Periyar National Park, etc. The next state is Karnataka. The landform of Karnataka is rocky and uneven. Its climate is hot and humid. The main rivers of Karnataka are Krishna and Kaveri. The visiting places of Karnataka are Bengaluru, which is the largest city of Karnataka, Mysore, Brindavan Gardens, etc. Now let's discuss the southern states with the help of a chart. Number 1. Telangana. The landform of Telangana is rocky and uneven. Its climate is hot and humid. The rivers of Telangana are Krishna and Godavari. The tourist places are Hyderabad, Tirupati, Golconda Fort, etc. Number 2. Andhra Pradesh. The landform is rocky and uneven. The climate of Andhra Pradesh is hot and humid. The rivers of Andhra Pradesh are Krishna and Godavari. The tourist places of Andhra Pradesh are Amravati, Tirupati, Charminar, etc. Number 3 is Tamil Nadu. Landform rocky and uneven. The climate is hot and humid, and the rivers that flow through Tamil Nadu are Kaveri and Periyar. Its tourist places are Chennai, Ooty, Meenakshi Temple, etc. Number 4 is Kerala. The landform is rocky and uneven. Its climate is hot and humid. Krishna and Periyar are the main rivers of Kerala. The visiting places of Kerala are Calicut, Cochin, Periyar, etc. Fifth state is Karnataka. The landform is rocky and uneven. The climate is hot and humid, and the rivers of Karnataka are Krishna and Kaveri. The tourist places are Bengaluru, Mysore, Bindavan Gardens, etc. Children, today I have discussed the landform, climate, rivers, and the visiting places of the southern states. I hope the topic is clear to you. Now, your homework is to revise the southern states with their landform, climate, rivers, and tourist places. Thank you.